Sager Power Systems offers Meanwell's ruggedized and closed switching power supplies with up to a 5-year warranty to meet a range of applications from factory automation to household appliances. The LRS series single-output power supply features a 30mm low-profile design with a metallic mesh case design that enhances heat dissipation in fanless convection scenarios. The LRS series delivers extremely low, no-load power consumption, allowing the end system to meet worldwide energy requirements. The RSP series is a single-output power supply with built-in active power factor correction and a remote on-off control. Finally, the low-profile HRP N-series high-peak power supply also has a built-in power factor correction function and no-load power consumption with a high efficiency. These modules include a remote sense function and offer a 12 volts DC to 48 volts DC output voltage range with 53 amps of rated current.